I'm Francesca Abrahamovitch and I'm a makeup artist. Today I'm going to show you how to create that really soft, natural, fluffy brow using a brow pencil. This is Baby Blade medium brown and a brow gel, the Feather Fix in medium brown. I use the brow pencil to create really soft, natural hair strokes to mimic the effect of your natural brows, to fill in any gaps and add density. And then I use the gel to create the texture and that really beautiful, soft, feathery, fluffy look that everyone's loving at the moment. So the great thing about this pencil is it's got that ultra fine nib, which helps you to create a super natural, really fine hair strokes. So it keeps the brows looking really fresh and soft and not overpowering them in any way. So I start slightly into the brow and focus on the base of the brow, as that's where you want to have the strongest line, and that's what gives you the definition. And then I try to avoid going too high because you want to keep the top of your brow really soft and natural. That is the key to this feathery, fluffy brow look. And then with the tails of your brow, always up and out. If you bring your brow down, it completely changes the shape of your eyes. It gives you the kind of a sad look, and we don't want that. We want lifted and fresh and awake. So this really helps to do that. So people always ask how to colour match your brows. I would always say go one shade darker than your natural brow hair just to add that definition and fullness. So I'm now going to use the Feather Fix brow gel. I just do really light natural strokes. The most amazing thing about this brush is it coats every single tiny fine hair. So even if you've got really sparse, thin brows, this really makes a difference because all the tiny hairs you don't usually see are coated, and it technically looks like you've had a tint without going to the salon. The things to avoid when using a brow gel is overloading the brow with product, 1, and 2, not being precise with the application. As I said, I focus on the base of the brow, coating all those tiny fine hairs, and then gently bring it through right to the end. Press and lift and have the brows feathery here, but if that is too much of a look for you, you can then take a clean mascara wand, and it's so easy to then push them back into shape and achieve the desired look. The amazing thing about this formula is it's super glossy and it gives you about a minute to manipulate the shape. You don't have to rush and it's not going to go sticky and tacky. I like to brush the brow hairs up and then slightly in towards my nose, just fractionally, just to give that really fresh, undone look. Thank you so much for watching. This is how you create a soft, natural, fluffy brow. For any more tips or tricks, follow me on Instagram at Francesca Abrahamovitch.